Hey guys, in this part we talk about elements in HTML. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, h1 tag, my first heading, and p tag, my first paragraph, and Ctrl S and see the result. My first heading, my first paragraph. Some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements don't have an end tag. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. So, explain this HTML document. The HTML tag, the HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag and end tag. Then inside the HTML element there is a body element. The body element defines the document's body. It has a start tag and end tag. Then inside the body element there are two other elements, h1 and p tags. The h1 element defines a heading. It has a start tag and end tag. The p element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag and end tag. Never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. For example, I remove the p end tag and Ctrl S and Ctrl R and the result is okay. However, never rely on this. Unexpected results and error may occur if you forget the end tag. Empty HTML elements. So I close the p tag and empty HTML elements. Empty HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. So for example, I put the BR in here and my first paragraph with a line break. Ctrl S and the result, my first and a break line, a line break, and paragraph with a line break.